Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you if Credit Strong Magnum is the best credit building for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, let's talk about its pros. Magnum offers substantial loan amounts up to $25,000 with long repayment terms. This can lead to a significant increase in your credit score if you make consistent on-time payments. Unlike traditional loans, Magnum doesn't provide you with immediate access to the loaned amount. This discourages unnecessary spending and keeps the focus solely on credit building. It also has various repayment options. You can choose from monthly or bi-weekly payments to fit your budget and preferences. The funds you save with Magnum are FDIC insured, offering peace of mind. There are no hidden fees or charges. All expenses are clearly outlined upfront. Now the cons. Magnum's interest rates are higher than traditional loans, ranging from 13.99% to 24.99%. This means you'll pay more in total interest over the loan term. The long repayment terms and significant loan amounts require a serious commitment to consistent payments. Defaulting on payments can damage your credit score even further. Magnum isn't ideal for everyone. It's not suitable if you cannot afford the monthly payments, have a history of late payments, need immediate access to cash. And that's all about the Credit Strong Magnum credit building. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.